Babe, out of 10, how much you'd rate it?
20.
Give me biscuit. I can't eat dry biscuit. You gotta give me some chicken too.
Chicken?
Some chicken too. Thank you.
Welcome.
I'm grateful for it. Welcome back, guys. So you know this, always I tell my wife say Jamaica have the best KFC, and she disbelieved me because the last time we came I think it was only spicy chicken they got, and we just didn't have enough time to go back and purchase more chickens. But now I'm on the road, I'm gonna surprise her, you know, and I'm gonna get some KFC. I'm gonna get barbecue specifically, and I love their wings too, so I'm gonna get some wings. So you guys stay tuned to see her reaction when I bring this KFC home for her to taste. So yeah, stay tuned for it. I'm excited to see her reaction because, I mean, not because I am from here, but I tried other country KFC and it was just not the best. I've tried Panama KFC, it's not good. I tried American KFC, it was just not it either. So yeah, we're gonna try some Jamaican KFC today, and it's actually the first I'm going to get some KFC, you know, and I'm gonna surprise her and get it. So stay tuned, she's home. I went on the road to get some stuff done, but I'm heading home now and it just came to me. So I'm gonna vlog about this and show you guys, so stay tuned. I'm in the line now. The great Jamaican KFC. Look at the line, look at the drive-thru. I've never seen something like this in Canada. I've never seen something like this in America either. Look at the line, guys. This is crazy. You know, guys, I never tell a lie, but I'm in it. I'm waiting because I'm about to surprise her, so stay tuned. I think I'm starting to regret joining this line. Oh my God, look at the line, guys. Damn it. But never guess what, I'm doing it for her. I'm doing it. I want to see her reaction, and we're not gonna be here for too long, so it's only a one-time experience, so I'm gonna do it for her. You understand? I mean, maybe if I had come earlier, but I had to get some stuff out of the way, so it's now what, practically 3 o'clock. So yeah, I regret doing it already, but see, the line behind me is too much too, so I can't go anywhere, so I just gotta sit in it and see her reaction. I'm doing this for you, babe. Stay tuned, guys. Remember, like, comment, share and subscribe, and turn the notification bell on so you got all the necessary upload. Love y'all. Finally we are there. We're there, waiting on this car. Finally we are there, guys. They are celebrating 50 years this year, so yeah, it's a KFC actually in Jamaica, 50 years now. Okay, let's go. Yeah, we are Boulevard Shopping Center. Yeah, so guys, stay tuned. See the real deal. Menu, look at the menu. Can I get a chicken box combo?
A chicken box combo?
Yeah, and
Your original.
so you don't got any barbecue?
No, darling.
Oh my God, no, it's crazy. Alright, give me original for that. It's basically the last time they tell us there was no barbecue, right? So today they might tell you the same thing, said there's no barbecue. So I was willing to find another KFC because I don't think my wife is gonna get the experience I want her to get, because the last time it was spicy chicken they got with original, and today they're telling me the same thing. So I decided that this time around I'm not having it, so I'd rather come out of the line and go somewhere else. And then immediately they change their mind and tell me that they have barbecue. Something spiritual, eh? This is actually somewhere. So we're gonna get our food that we want. So let's hope it's a reaction. We are on our way for a reaction. So stay tuned, guys. Why you sleeping? Raj. Rajero. Raj. Sonny. He's he sleep on Joel. Oh my god. Raj, daddy buy KFC for you. You want KFC? Huh? He doesn't want anything. My boy decided not to wait, so I'm gonna eat without him. So that's my wife. And guys, we get like wings. Look. Because my wife doesn't like chicken. And me, we just like wings, so.
I like thighs, but I love wings, so I'm really excited to try KFC in Jamaica.
Yeah, our first time. I told them the last time it was spicy, so
yeah,
it
wasn't right, so this is the right.
Yeah, let's see. Let's see what's the hype about.
Let's see. Should I try barbecue first?
Yeah, go for barbecue, dude. Let's see if they got it. If they got it in them. Is it good?
Oh my god. Finger licking good.
Barbecue.
Oh my gosh. How come we don't have this in Canada?
The barbecue, eh? That's
not fair.
That's the thing I'm saying. Like, we doesn't have barbecue in Canada. But yeah, guys, like.
I wonder if we can request it.
That's a biscuit and the barbecue here. Different, man. Different gravy. I haven't tasted it yet.
Oh my gosh, guys. We're getting gypped in Canada. Oh my god.
This is guys, this is a different level of tastiness, man. I'm telling you that. She ain't good. Like, I was born here where it cooks every day, but trust me, because of the line is so long, I just never like. It's not something I put my mind on every day because I'm a guy. I lost patience fast, man. So.
Did you tell them what they told you? That they was done and then.
Yeah, tell me that there's no barbecue. I was about to come out of the line. Like, I don't see why, you know. And yeah, I said, listen, I don't want anything. And then they agreed on getting barbecue for us suddenly. So yeah, I'm happy that she get it and I get it. And
yes, it was meant to be.
I look for Rajero reaction, but he's sleeping, so.
Yeah, we'll give him his when he wakes up.
Yeah. It's time for a spicy reaction. She likes spicy too, so let's hope it works. Spicy is good too, babe?
Guys, let me tell you, all the hype about Jamaican chicken, it's all true. It's legit. It is just so good. This is, when I say nothing like Canadian, I don't even like KFC in Canada, really. This is on a whole other level. So good. You guys gotta try it. If you ever come to Jamaica, you gotta try it.
That's Rajero, guys. He's having the sleep of his life, but my wife told me that she just feed him, so he doesn't want anything right now. But when he wake up, he should be all hungry. So, babe, out of 10, how much you'd rate it?
20. It's so good.
Oh my God, it's that top, eh, babe? I see. I told you the last time we.
No cap, babe, no cap.
The thing is, the last time we didn't have patience and time ran out, so we couldn't get it. But I was always telling her guys that Jamaican barbecue chicken and spicy, it's top. Worst wings. For me personally, the wings is the best they ever create. So
Yeah,
I
agree.
I love it. Take
It's
another
better
look.
than the thighs. It's better than anything. It's so good.
Good.
So worth the wait to make for me.
Yeah, for sure.
And the biscuit. We don't have biscuits like that in Canada, do we?
I think so, babe. I think.
I don't know. This is just so good. So
I'm
good.
happy that you enjoyed it, and guys, I think I did a great job, to stay in the line and wait. Yeah, because the line was so long, babe. Oh my God, I was like, I think I've made a mistake. But just to see a reaction, take away all the Yeah, all that. So
This is so good. Thank you. I really appreciate you doing this because, like, I keep seeing people talking about Jamaicans, like, in TikTok and
yeah,
stuff like that. Like, people talking about how good Jamaican KFC is, but I was like, is it really that good? But yeah, no, it is.
because I don't know why the KFC in Canada or America doesn't have barbecue, but
But
here,
even their spicy, this is better than. We got spicy wings in Canada all the time. These are better.
there.
I don't know why their recipe is different. The chicken is better. The chicken is better chicken too. Like,
It's nice. It's more. It's not puffy. It's not big and.
yeah, it's not greasy or like it's just real chicken and it's so good.
I'm happy you enjoyed it, babe. I'm so happy.
Thank you. I love my wings. We both do.
For sure, yeah.
KFC just tops it off. Kudos to Jamaica KFC.
Kudos to the best man in the world.
And to
Your best husband
yes,
in the world,
you were
right?
definitely top notch. You're a keeper.
Guys, you know I take care of the home first, so yeah, that's my job. So all the guys out there, man, I keep saying it. Take care of the home first. And make sure the wife happy, everything else comes afterwards, eh? So,
Baby, you do a good job.
I love you.
I love you too. Thanks, guys, for watching.
Who suddenly got up? Hey, Raj, what's going on? Huh? Babe still stuffing her face. Papa, you gonna eat some food? No?
Rajero can have my fries. You want mom's fries?
He's not in the mood, guys. So, guys, after what time is it, babe? We went to road and come back. Go and visit my grandma and stuff.
I'm freezing. Maybe
This is the time. This is the time Rajero eating his KFC, so he doesn't feel like he want to eat anything. So, yeah.
Is it good?
Like it? That's our boy. So going forward, it's gonna be the three of us, just the three of us.
No more just the
Right?
two of us.
We can make it if we try, just the three of us.
Well, actually, Jessica's still with us, but
Guys, this one is a work, man. I gotta like prepare mentally for him. Trust me, because Rajero is a work, right? Don't you work? I love you.
he's just really hyper. You got lots of energy.
Love you.
You got lots of energy, don't you, bub?
Yeah, guys. So I think this is the end of it. It's like what time? What time? About 10 o'clock.
10:30.
Yeah, and I'm like flushed. So see you guys in the next one. Peace out. What am I doing with a Canadian money in Jamaica? Like, does it make sense? Okay, chicken. You love it? Yeah. Give that one fries. Nah. Thank you. I love you. You're my art. You're my heartbeat. Yeah. Am I your heartbeat?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Because you're mine. Alright? And I love you so much. Giving me biscuit? I can't eat dry biscuit. You gotta give me some chicken too.
Chicken?
Some chicken too. Thank you.
Welcome.
I'm grateful for it. You're the best son ever.
Great.
Yeah, you're the best son ever.
Oh.
You love daddy?
Yeah.
Okay, daddy love you too, okay.
Yeah.
Ireland boss, and me I represent for Akeem and Jen. And you know them YouTube channels, so me I tell you no, and me I send you no, if you go like, share, comment, and subscribe. You know why? It's a winning season. The pass wasn't clear. No tables are turned with about half dozen cheer. You know what I mean?